Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the muscle anatomy of Anconeus muscle. So the Anconeus is this short triangular muscle. This Anconeus muscle is found in the posterior compartment of the forearm, and it is one of the superficial muscle of the posterior or extensor compartment of the forearm. As you can see, this muscle lies just superficial or posterior to the elbow joint. Now we study important anatomical feature of this Anconeus muscle. Now firstly we study about the origin and insertion of this Anconeus muscle. This muscle originates from posterior aspect of lateral epicondyle of humerus, just superior to the attachment site of common extensor tendon, and then after originating the muscle fibers of Anconeus muscle fibers travels infero-medially and inserted at the posterolateral aspect of olecranon and proximal end of body of ulna. So now we will talk about the action performed by Anconeus muscle. So the Anconeus muscle assists the tricep brachii in forearm extension at the elbow joint. Now lastly we will talk about the nerve supply to the Anconeus muscle. So the Anconeus muscle receives its nerve supply from radial nerve. The radial nerve innervates the Anconeus muscle through this muscular branch of radial nerve, which arises in the middle of the arm and also supply the Anconeus as well as tricep brachii muscle, while the radial nerve itself arises from the posterior cord of brachial plexus. The nerve roots that's involved in the supplying to the Anconeus muscles, these are the C6, C7, C8 cervical spinal nerves. So that's all about the anatomy of Anconeus muscle.